Southern Gardening is back at Camp Creek Native Plants in New Albany, Mississippi, continuing our celebration of Native Plant Month. Let's explore some of their unique native plants. Golden Ragwort features semi-evergreen foliage with deep green, heart-shaped basal leaves that have a striking purple underside, adding extra visual interest. In early spring, flower buds emerge and open to reveal bright yellow, daisy-like blooms. Walter's Violet, also known as Prostrate Blue Violet, displays small, delicate lavender to purple flowers in early to mid-spring, bringing a subtle splash of color to shaded woodland areas. The blooms resemble classic violet flowers with 5 petals and dark purple veins that help guide pollinators toward the center. One of its distinctive traits is its small, round to heart-shaped leaves, often tinged with a hint of purple on the underside. Wood sedum, or Little-Leaf Stonecrop, is a hardy, low-growing native perennial that reaches 4 to 6 inches tall and spreads up to 12 inches wide, making it an excellent choice for creating a lush carpet of foliage. Characterized by its small, succulent, rounded leaves that are light green and sometimes take on a reddish tint in cooler months, wood sedum can tolerate periods of drought once established. All of these native plants thrive in shaded areas of the landscape. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.